Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO V15 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which should come provided with the device in the box, but if you got it second hand or you just can't find it, whatever the case may be, you could also use a paper clip or maybe some needle to pop out the tray. Anyway, I will be using just a tool right here, and I'm gonna start off with the SD card. So the SD card tray is located on the top left side of the phone, so right over here. Find a little insert pin or hole for it and push the pin in. As you can see, the tray will come out, and now for you to take it out. And this is a single SD card tray. You can place the card like so and then insert it back into your phone. Now when it comes down to your SIM card, it's at the bottom. There we go. And once you pull it out, you can see we have space for two different SIM cards. I'm gonna occupy only one of these, like so, and then I pop it back into the device. There we go. Now I can tell you that the SIM card will work. As you can see, it pops out with the pin for it. So I'm going to confirm the pin, but the SD card will not. The SD card is broken itself, so it should give me something like unsupported SD card or something like that, or maybe just won't detect it at all. That is the fault of the SD card itself, not the phone, but that is obviously how you'd insert it anyway. And a SIM card based on the pin works no problem. So there we go, that is how you would insert both of these cards. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.